This is the motherboard. It's an Asus Prime B550M AAC. It's a micro ATX board for a smaller build. Okay, I'm going to install the SSD first. So it's going to go the standoff. It's going to go on this port. Okay. Screw that in. It's 500 gig SSD. Okay, there we go. That's in. Okay, that's in pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna do the RAMs next. 16 gigabyte RAMs. Okay, got the 2 RAM sticks out. Okay, so usually we put into the channel 2 and 4 unlocking pin. Okay, so let's okay, so once they're in, you gotta press it in to hear the click. Yeah, there we go. That one clicked. You see how that one's not clicked yet? There we go. It's in snug tight. Okay, so we got the RAMs in. Got the SSD. We're gonna do the CPU next. Okay, for the processor, I'm going with the Ryzen 5 5600X. It's one of my favorite CPU for low budget builds. Comes with a fan. Yeah, here's the fan. Okay, here's the processor. Okay, so let's unlatch. Okay, so you can't really see it, but there's a arrow right there. So let's look on our CPU. Let's see, where's the arrow? Can't really see it, but it's right there. The arrow's got to match up. Yep, so it's in. Wiggle. Okay. Gonna pull down the latch again, secure it. Okay, we're good there. Okay, then we're gonna have to unscrew the four screws right here. Take out the bracket. We're gonna put the CPU fan on top and screw it in place. Okay, here's the fan. Some thermal paste. I'm gonna put it pea size. There we go. That looks like a pea size to me. Okay, then we're gonna put the cooling fan on and it's gonna spread it. Okay, got the fan on. So usually you want to screw one bolt in, this one to hold it down, and then to finish off the two. And for the wiring, it's gonna go, see where it says CPU fan, it's gonna go right here. Yep, there we go. Okay, this is the case. Nice silver case. Let's get the two screws out. Some screws for the motherboard zip ties. Okay, so let's go this side first. Okay, I'm gonna screw it down and then I'll record again. Hold on. Alright guys, I got it screwed down. Let's see, so got the power supply on. This is the motherboard wire. And then let's see, got the wires already all in place. Okay, let's put the graphic card in. So I'm gonna go with the 4060. a low profile one. So it's as strong as like the regular size. It's just this is a small one for the compact build. Alright, let's take off all the wrappings. Alright, let's see. Okay, so it's gonna go like that. Okay, let me get these two things out. Okay, I got the graphic card hooked up. Push into the pin clicked. Screw it down. Make sure the power supply wire is connected to right here. This one right here. Okay. Everything's good. Let's boot it up. Let's see if it turns on. Alright. It's on. There we go. It's alive. Okay, so all I gotta do is install Windows and operating system. Okay, so I'm running 3D Mark for some benchmark scores. It's already ran through the 2 graphic video test. Alright. Let's see the results. Alright. It's pushing 10,000K score, which is pretty good. Especially for this small compact build. Alright. That's a pretty good score in my opinion. Okay, so let's try out Wukong. Let's run some more numbers. So because this is a weaker card, I'm gonna run everything at I'm gonna run everything with frame generation and DLSS3 just to upscale for more FPS. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't like it because they prefer to run it at like the native setting, but then personally I do like DLSS3. Okay, so alright, frame gen on, DLSS3, and everything's on high settings. Okay. Cool. Let's run it. Yeah, so it's like 90 frame. Okay, so that's the numbers for Wukong, pushing about 89 frame per second. Okay. Okay. Testing Black Ops 6. Running the benchmark. Okay, 142. Let's try a different game. Alright, testing Ghost of Tsushima. We're at 160 frames. Runs pretty good. Okay, let me test out something else. Alright, Cyberpunk. It's a pretty demanding game, so I'm gonna turn frame gen and DLS 3 on. Everything's on ultra, high and ultra settings. Alright, let's see what the numbers are. It's about 95 frames. Yeah, this is a pretty demanding title, so without frame gen and DLS 3, you're probably getting about 40-50 frames. So yeah, definitely need to turn that on just to stable it. Alright, so about 98 frame per second. Again, this is in 1080p, so that's why our frame is a little higher. If we're playing at 1440, I'm guessing it'll probably be down to like 60 frame, I'd say. Which, as long as you hit that 60 frame, you know, it's offline game, so it's okay. But if you're playing competitively, then yeah, the higher the better. Okay, and last but not least, test out Tekken 8, of course, my favorite game. I mean, fighting game, so pretty easy to run. 60 frame ultra setting. Alright, let's do some combos. Yeah, dropping everything. I suck.